İngiltere Öğretmenler Birliği eski Genel Sekreteri ve Öcalan'a Özgürlük Kampanyası kurucularından Kristin Blower, Önder Apo'nun tutulduğu koşulların insanlık dışı olduğunu kaydetti. Televizyonumuz muhabirlerinden Erem Kansoy'un sorularını yanıtlayan Kristin Blower, İmralı tecritinin uluslararası hukuku çiğnediğine vurgu yaptı. İzolasyonun insanlık dışı bir işkence olduğunu söyledi.
Aiming by isolating Mr. Öcalan.
The state of Mr. Öcalan's incarceration is not just immoral and unacceptable. It's also a breach of international law. To have been held incommunicado without visits from his family, from his lawyers for so long is clearly a breach of international law. It's inhumane and simply has to change. That the freedom for Öcalan is central to the question of the resolution of the Kurdish question. And we must therefore continue to redouble our efforts to make sure not just that the peace process gets back on track, but that that Öcalan is central to it. He is the great thinker about the Kurdish question. He's a philosopher, he's a politician, and he is held certainly by the Kurds whom I know to be the leader of the possibility of there being a resolution. Well, of course, many will be downcast by the fact that even though this is a campaign that has been going on for 2 decades, that it hasn't achieved its resolution, which would be, of course, to have peace for Öcalan. But the fact is that the Turkish state has not managed to silence Abdullah Öcalan and has not managed to silence the international initiative for his freedom. So we must keep continuing to raise the issue, because I believe that Abdullah Öcalan is central to the question of the resolution of the Kurdish question.